a completely custom cursor like this one, you have come to the right place. So first up, what you want to do is go into Chrome, look up Sweezy cursors. By the way, I've linked this website in the description, so you can just press on that. You can press on any cursor that you want, so I'm just going to press on the first one, Enchanted Netherite Sword. So what you want to do is press download here. You want to download the cursor and the pointer, so one at a time. Okay, so now what you want to do is go into settings, then I want to go into mouse settings, then you see mouse pointer and touch, press that, and then custom pointer image. What you want to do is go half screen on both of them. So what you want to do is press browse, and because it's the glowing one, you want to press this one, and then link select, you want to go enchanted, this one, and then that's it. You can change the size of it if you go like this. So yeah, it's quite big. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Check out my other channels for more content, and please subscribe.